SeaWorld. We got the season passes. This is our first time visiting in like 7-ish
Been a long
years.
time.
The parking is included. I just showed my phone pass and they let us through the gate. I think it said it was $36 for regular parking though.
Our first activity for this trip was Dine with Orcas.
Alright, we're going in the whale area. Oh, cool, right there.
We're joined by our 3 female killer whales. Their names are Takara, Sakari, and Kamea. In total, we do care for 5 orcas. Now, in the meantime, help yourself to as much food as you would like. This is an all-you-can-eat buffet.
It's all you can eat buffet. We get all food.
Might as well just eat everything.
Yeah.
He's amazing. Bill and I will be here and happy to answer any and all questions for you.
Look.
We'll talk to you real soon.
That is cool.
We aren't normally big on buffets, but we really enjoyed this one. We would definitely go again. Some of our favorites were the salmon, the chicken, and the potato wedges, and we also really loved that there was a dessert table.
Whatever you want to do first, check it out. You have your dessert first if you want. Well, if you come and say hi.
To help care for them and ultimately learn more about them so that we can protect wild killer whales of the ocean. Turn your attention towards the slide out. Closest to me, this is Sakari. She's the 15-year-old. Right in the center, that is Takara, the 33-year-old. And then furthest from me is Kamea. She's the smallest, weighing in at just over 3,600 pounds. It's the target pole. Because you know what Kamea seems to like is very different than what the oldest member of our pod seems to enjoy. This is the beginning stages of our stage slide behavior. So she'll slide along or slide out. Her entire body should leave the water, and then she'll re-enter the water as well. That's the step we're focusing on. So we talked about target recognition, our reinforcement, and last but not least, it's our communication with the whales. Now, communication, that could be our body language. They seem to, energy and competence, it's really critical when we're interacting with these animals. Every single interaction, we're reading their behavior and we're basing our interaction off of what we're seeing from them. Watch that target pull work, amazing. You might also hear a sound. Now that whistle, we call it a bridge. It communicates to our animals. Yes, right there, that is exactly what I was looking for. Please come back to your trainer for some type of reinforcement. That whistle at the end of the behavior. Perfect. Now, well, what happens when the whales do something that's not perfect? Take a second, we'll pause for 3 seconds, and then we carry on. Now, this is Takara. Wow. Okay, that's amazing. So Takara, our 33-year-old, she is by far one of the most intelligent animals I've ever interacted with. And that is what the behavior looks like at completion. So Takara, she's been rocking this behavior for many years. And that is the ideal topography, the ideal shape that we're aiming for. Kamea, don't repeat something you've already offered me. So you'll see she gets to some activity. That's what we call an exercise session. So the focus there, we get person faster than.
Oh, yes.
Whoa. That's exactly right. You heard the whistle, the bridge, let's see how.
Oh my gosh, that was amazing.
By coming in today, you're already supporting SeaWorld rescue and rehabilitation efforts, so that's amazing. But when you go home, recycling, that helps. Eating sustainably sourced seafood for them. Now,
Our next stop was the Texas Stingray.
Some of them are 40A,
I think
so
we could do them all.
definitely make the 46.
Go real quick?
You ready for your first roller coaster?
This is gonna go on its first roller coaster.
Oh my
I forgot the name of
goodness.
it already, but
Stingray.
I think it says the tallest and fastest wooden roller coaster in Texas.
Yeah, that's us.
You ready? First time on a roller coaster. You excited?
Scared.
A little scared? Here we go.
They're in there. There they go.
Look how high we are. Alright. It's gonna be a big drop. Here we go. We're almost gonna drop. It's gonna be fun.
There it goes. it's too scary.
I think he liked it.
You think so?
Woo! You alright, bud? It was scary?
Yeah. I was saying, please don't go up.
You thought you were gonna fall off?
It was really scary.
How was it? You want to go
Really
again?
scary. No.
Westin was pretty scared. You sure you want to go? Alright. You sure you want to go? Westin was pretty scared.
Yes.
Alright. Are you excited? Westin thought it was scary. But it should be fun.
No more roller coasters.
No more roller coasters. That was so scary. I
True.
kind of thought I was going to pass out.
Oh no! But you didn't. You made it.
I didn't.
You made it.
That's not it yet. We're gonna go all the way up.
There they are! Woo!
We're heading back. We're on the last row. This is Aubrey's first roller coaster ride. Are you scared?
Yes.
We're gonna go really high. There's gonna be a big drop, but don't worry, we're not gonna fall out. It's okay. Look down there. The rafting ride. We're gonna go all the way up to the very top. Look behind us. Mama's way down there. Alright. I got you. Don't worry. I got you, Aubrey. Here we go. We're gonna go on the drop in a second here. Here we go! Woo! Hold on, Aubrey. It's okay.
That was fun.
How was it?
I had fun, but it was really scary. I was holding on for my life.
Weston said he's never going on any more roller coasters.
When I won on it, it was like dragging my head
I'm
down.
ready to go, gear.
You had fun? You're a roller coaster person?
Next up, the Rio Loco.
It's already wet. Yep. Oh, geez. Oh, it's bumpy. Holy soaked at the last second.
Good luck.
My pants were soaked.
You guys ready? What?
Back is the most scary.
Keep going backwards?
Back is the worst.
How in the back
That's the
again?
scariest. We're in between right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb.
There you go. Now you're going backwards.
I don't want to see this way. I don't want to see this way.
I'm going backwards. Here we go. Oh, there's Mama. Uh-oh, here comes the waterfall, guys. Oh no. Oh no. Ah, here it comes. Here it comes. My shoes are full of water. Woo.
Glad you didn't get splashed. I got soaking wet last time on the ride. You want to go on a water ride or no? So there is like a kids section. It's under construction there. It says coming in 2025.
That's a real person dressed up like this.
Ah! Good one. Relax and recharge. Looks like you charge your phone in there. That's kind of cool. Looks like a water ride, possibly. Doesn't have any water in it right now. Atlantis. Oh my gosh,
A lot more stuff to do.
We didn't do any of the shows besides the lunch reservation.
Yeah, so the lunch, it kind of came with like a whale show there, so that was cool. Westin and Aubrey both rode their first roller coaster.